In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add signature in PDF file. Let's begin. So once you've opened up your own web browser, you are going to type in Adobe Sign PDF in the search bar, and then look for something which says Sign PDFs with the free PDF form filler by Adobe. So you're going to select that link. So here it's going to say fill inside a PDF. Drag and drop a PDF to use Acrobat as a PDF form filler. So we're going to select a file. So I'm going to use this one, Microsoft Edge. Simply select open. Then we just have to wait a few seconds for it to load. So once it is loaded, it's going to show you a preview of what the PDF looks like. So you're simply going to look for the section where you want to add in the PDF. So head over to the left side and look for something which says add your signature or initials. So you're going to have three options, either to type out your signature or to draw it, or upload an image of the signature that you want to upload and put on your document. So for this video, I'm simply going to draw it. So head over to the Draw tab and simply just draw your signature in the middle. Once you're happy with it, you can select Save, then select Close. If you head over to the left side, you'll notice that our signature has been added. And if you want to add it to the document, simply just click on it, and it's going to appear once you move the cursor to the document. Then to place it, click, and if you want to resize, select the Resize option, or to make it smaller, select this option here with the smaller A, and there you go. That is how you can add a signature to your PDF file. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.